guys, welcome to today's video. And today I'm playing a game called Fun Monkey Horror 2. Yeah, that's right people, it's the second one. Ow. I don't know why I have low gravity now, but I have low gravity now. Yeah, why's the two me's? Whatever.
I'm going to Slender Tubbies.
Yeah, so, well, just get right into it, I guess.
Hey guys.
I have that many, whatever they're called. I'm not getting that.
Hey guys, guess what? I'm literally about to buy this.
No, don't waste your money.
To buy what?
Don't waste your money on the game.
I'm already buying it.
You'll have
£4.50.
Wait, you have.
You know what? Just for the funnies, I might get it. Oh, it's £4.50 for you as well.
Continue the meta app. Okay.
You also British.
Yeah, I'm British. I have to
Yeah.
check the meta app real quick.
Okay. Hey, I'm recording right now. You want to help me out?
Sure.
After you've got that. I kind of don't have it yet though, so you might have to like slow down a bit if you have
Tap
it.
here to verify your purchase.
I'm gonna go into the level thing. We can go into different areas.
Wait, 1 second.
Y'all wanna help me with
Verifying
the
the
video?
purchase.
I'm already recording.
Oh. Oh, don't worry. I'm gonna be in your video. I'm gonna stop my from
Right,
recording.
what's this?
Guys, I'm gonna have the best fit ever.
Okay, you do you.
I can hear everyone. Wait, be quiet for a second.
Oh my god.
How's it
Yo,
going?
guys, come on. Let's go blurg. Guys, let's go blurg.
Okay.
Guys, I confirmed it. Let's go this way.
No.
Right, what's this again?
This looks so
I haven't been here
terrifying.
in a while. I haven't been in here in a while. What is this? Oh, it's that
Yeah.
thing.
Oh my god, it's Pac-Man. It's Purple Pac-Man.
Boing!
Go give him the
Oh.
dog. He just got killed. Yo.
I forgot how to juke
leave
it.
and rejoin.
There's a way to juke it, but I forgot
Guys,
how.
leave and rejoin so he's able to move. Leave and
Okay.
leave
Right, go back in now. You should be able to move.
and rejoin.
Right, you should be able to move now.
Leave and rejoin.
You should be able to go now.
Still not moving though.
He's still not moving.
Bit me. Oh my god.
Charlie bit my finger.
Oh my
Ugh.
god. Guys, let's leave. Guys,
Okay.
leave and rejoin
Right,
so he's
next
able
thing,
to move.
next
leave
thing,
and
next
rejoin.
thing. Right, next one. Back rooms.
Guys, can we play maze?
Right, let's go in this one. Oh god.
These are kind of scary.
It's glitching out a little bit, but it'll be fine.
Guys, can we go to maze?
Yeah. Guys, it's broken. Let's go back. Yeah, so some of them are a bit broken. Go to Sky Island. This one isn't
Guys,
broken.
go to maze.
Maze? We're going
We'll go
Guys, we're going
after.
maze. We're going to maze. We're
We'll
going
go
to
after.
maze.
We'll go after. We'll
Maze.
go after. We'll go after. We'll go after. Okay, I'll go after. Ew. Ew. There's two of these things. What's the other one? Okay. Okay, next one. Death Town.
Guys, go in Marble Slab. Go in Marble.
Yep. Never mind. I don't like that. I don't like this level.
No, come on, stay in there.
Why?
Come on, get up on the roof.
I mean, I'm recording, so I guess I'll show it.
Huh?
I am recording, so I guess I'll show it. Right, where's the
Yeah, come on,
monsters?
come
Where's the monsters? There's
It's
two
only-
of
I
them.
think there's only one, but he's terrifying.
There's two of them, but I don't know where
Yeah.
they are. There's two. There's two. Here's one of them. Here's one of them. It's over there for me.
There's
Yeah,
one
I
there
can
for
see
me.
them both. There's two. I can see them both. Nope, they're alive. They're not alive.
You don't want to go into a different one then?
Yeah, next one. Yeah, so that's
You're
really
in
it. It's just a
Marble
big town with these things. Next one.
You're
I'm
Marble
doing
Slab.
them all in order, so gun level basic. I don't even know where the monster in here is. I know what it
Yeah,
is, I
come
just
in
don't know where it is.
I don't know what it is. What is it?
When you see it, you'll know you see it.
Have you done the back room?
Yeah, I've done that. It was broken though, so that come out.
Oh.
This is not broken though, so we can do
Are you
this.
American or?
Oh, British. Alright.
Yo. Yo, what up?
Okay, I can't find it, but there is a monster here. Go next one. Crawl space.
The next one?
Right. Which one? I'll say
One
this
or
one,
two?
then the other one. This is what level 10 Big Scary is based off. I don't know where the things
Yeah.
are, but I don't know where the things are.
There. It's here. What?
It's not broken for me. It's not broken for me. I didn't see it, but it's definitely not broken for me. Right, other one.
Alright.
Back in crawl space again, go number 2.
Number 2.
Oh, I hate this. That's just an edge. Oh. Hello, buddy. Come here. Okay, just go back.
Let's leave.
Next one. Slender Tubbies. What is that noise? Is that the Slender Tubbies? Come up here. There's stuff up there. Is that the Slender Tubbies? What is that noise? There's one of them. Why are they all over here? They're all over here. I'm sure there's one more. I'm sure there's one more. I just don't know where it is. Okay, next one. This side. Maze. This one isn't that bad. It isn't that bad. This is where everyone is, I think.
Yeah.
They're all in here somewhere. There's one person.
Yeah, I saw him.
My head's just being weird. It isn't about to die, it's just being weird. Yeah, the monsters are quite fast in here, so you gotta run at full speed if you see them. Why do I have low gravity? Why do we have low gravity? Well, I found everyone. Oh, we're getting chased. Guys, we're getting chased. It's right there. Turn around. Come on.
Wait, where?
Run.
Oh, Hannah!
Run.
Oh, no. This is my orange.
Where is it? Where is he? I saw him. Where'd he go? Okay, he's gone.
Come on. Is he there? No. Oh, no. Where's Spider? Where's Spider? That's so scary. There's 4 monsters. I know, right? 4 monsters.
There's 3.
It's so scary. Yeah, there's 3. There's a smiley jump scare. There's smiley jump scare. SCP and what is that one? Guys, over here. Think this is where the church test is.
It's being really weird. How big is this
You
maze?
get 1,000 coins. You get 1,000 coins if you find it.
How big is this?
Just don't go that way. Just go straight.
How big is this thing?
I don't know. It's super big, though.
This way.
Guys, come on.
No, never mind. Okay, well they're getting chased now. I'm not. I'll stay behind, just not too far behind.
I
can't even tell if it's getting close or not. Okay. Hello. Oh, that's another one.
Dude, I can see SCP. Ice skate. Run.
SCP's there! Ah!
No. Don't panic. You still have a chance.
What's that?
I think we
So
do.
sorry.
I'm just gonna die. Just die to him.
Oh yeah. There's no jump scare. I forgot.
Where is everyone?
Everyone. This is the one. Everyone plays.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm Sigma. Hey bro, you want to banana? Which crawl space? I want to do crawl.
Okay. What is that? What? Okay.
Show me.
That's
last
not
one.
you.
Cut
You
your
just
ear
copied
back.
the name.
Well, you
Last
cut
one.
the creator bed.
Right. Dude,
Orange.
come on. Oh, that's not fair. Okay. I'm still gonna beat it. And he died. How did you not die?
You literally just ran into my rat.
You just ran into mine?
Come on, we're gonna come in.
Right, it's starting now. It's starting now. And you just got run over by mine. And now I have time. Badge. There's usually a badge there. Right, that's everything that's in the game right now. I don't know how to put on cosmetics. Some things. No. No. Whatever. How do you put on cosmetics?
Let me look. I'll show you.
Guys, everybody start off with Rat Run. Everybody start off with Rat
Press
Run.
the green button. Press the green button.
No, like, I got a free badge. Do I have it on?
Oh, you both have cars.
Have what on? No.
How'd you put it on?
You both have. We have it.
I gotta go.
All right.
Okay, whatever.
I don't have it myself.
How do I put it on?
You gonna buy it? Oh, you have
Meh.
it. Wow.
Okay.
Wait, go with Pinky.
Yeah, you guys should
Go
definitely
with
join the
Pinky.
Discord.
I mean,
And, that's really it. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Helps me a ton. I'll have to wait for that for a while. Yeah, but, see you guys next video.